Okay, so we're going to go over the properties. You need to print out the handout, or you can set up a note sheet like I have it right here. And we're going to talk about the commutative property first. So the main idea, order does not matter with addition and multiplication. Let's look at the addition examples. So the first example would be A plus B equals B plus A. They just switched positions, okay? Next one, 7 plus 5 equals 5 plus 7. Next example, 3x plus 8 equals 8 plus 3x. And the last example, y plus 9x equals 9x plus y. We can have problems with parentheses in there, but I don't have any examples right now. Alright, so, and I'll show you in class. Multiplication examples, a times b equals b times a. AB times 7 equals 7 times AB. Negative 5y times 4 equals 4 times negative 5y. Next one, x plus y times 3, there's parentheses 1, and 3 times x plus y. Okay, so now we're looking at the associative property. So the main idea, grouping doesn't matter with addition and multiplication. So now we're going to have some examples here. So we have 8 plus 9 plus 7 equals 8 plus 9 plus 7. Next one, x plus y plus z equals x plus y plus z. Next one, 7a plus 2 plus y equals 7a plus 2 plus y. 6 plus 3a, parentheses, plus 1 equals 6 plus 3a plus 1. Under the multiplication examples, a times b times c equals a times b times c. Next one, 7 times 2 times 1 equals 7 times 2 and 1. Next example, 6x times 2y times 3 equals 6x times 2y times 3. Next one, 4a times 3b times 5c equals 4a times 3b times 5c. Okay, so now we're talking about the identity property. The main idea on this one would be to keep the value of the number. So addition examples. So we know what we're adding in. 9 plus 0 equals 9. X plus 0 equals x. 4a plus 0 equals 4a. And negative 7g plus 0 equals negative 7g. On the multiplication side, 7 times 1 equals 7. 1/4 times 1 equals 1/4. 6x times 1 equals 6x. And negative 3b times 1 equals negative 3b. Okay, now we're looking at the inverse property. And the main idea here is it uses the opposite to cancel out. So your addition, you would have 10 plus a negative 10, that's the opposite, right? And then 1/2 plus negative 1/2. Notice it equals 0. Negative 7 plus 7. And x plus negative x equals 0. So your multiplication examples, 10 times 1/10 equals 1. So when you're adding, it equals 0. When you're multiplying, it equals 1. Negative 1/3 times negative 3 times 1 over b, 5/4 times 4/5 equals 1. Okay, so anything multiplied by 0 equals 0 is the main idea for the property of 0. Examples: 5x times 0 equals 0. And then the other one would be x plus 7y times 0 equals 0. All right, and that other property, distributive property, we had plenty of experience with that. And the main idea on that one would be multiplying a value to an expression in parentheses. So some examples, we can say 5 parentheses x minus 2 equals 5x minus 10. If we take 1/2 and we're going to distribute it to 20x minus 4 equals, remember we put this over 1, gives us 10x minus 2 when it's simplified. Next one, a times b plus c equals ab plus ac. And then negative 7 times x minus y equals negative 7x plus 7y. Alright, so we're on the bottom where it says name that property. And the first problem says 4 plus parentheses a plus b equals 4 plus a and parentheses plus b. Well, I notice these are in the same order. We have a 4, an a, and a b, a 4, an a, and a b. So it's in the same order. So it didn't switch or commute or move, as we say with commutative property. The only thing we did was move the parentheses. So this one's called associative property. And they're using addition, so addition. Alright, so you're going to finish 2 through 8. Be ready to go over those when we get back to class.